Hello folks, I was waiting for this. My YouTube Silver Award has arrived. Let's see what's in the box. Nice little congratulatory letter, card, and this award is for hitting 100,000 subscribers. And there it is. It's a shiny award, isn't it? I took it out of the box and it says, presented to Chuck's Astrophotography for passing 100,000 subscribers. How cool is that? Got the YouTube play button up there. Very cool. So thanks to YouTube and thanks to you guys, I needed 100,000 of you to subscribe to my channel to get this award, so thank you very much. He's always back here.